Hey guys, let's take a look at the Willy Wonka Lego set. I know this came out a while ago, but I did snag this at Target for a super good deal, and my daughter finally put this together. Um, she did a great job doing this one. So anyway, let's take a look at what it has. It has some really cool Lego elements that you'll want to see. Some parts I've never seen before on Lego sets and how they're used. So let's first talk about the minifigures. So I'm gonna go through and show you all the minifigures on this set here, and let me show you. Let me grab this one here. So pretty cool. You got the detail, you got the chocolate face there. So we'll move on to the next one. I don't want to give everything away. You have the Oompa Loompas also. I did buy this also just for the minifigures for the most part. I wasn't sure how it would display because it does angle. The angle might make it tricky for you to put somewhere. But anyway, really cool Oompa Loompas. I love how the different colored face and everything with the green hair. They look great. They pop out awesome. We do have the Willy Wonka minifigure. Classic minifigure here for your collection. If you don't have any of the other ones, I would say this one with an Oompa Loompa would be awesome just to have as a minifigure if you don't have the set, if you find that anywhere. All right, we got the Oompa Loompa driving the boat here. A couple minifigures in here, as you can see. And then we also have Mikey. Let's see here. Here we go. This one looks great. I love the torso, the Western look here with the cowboy hat on the back. They did a great job. Also comes with the printed tiles of golden tickets. I don't remember how many because I did not put this together. My daughter did, but I think there's about 4 or so of those in the box. Let's see. We have the main characters here. Let's grab. So, pretty boring. I'm guessing maybe the face is just exclusive on this, but pretty boring minifigure in my opinion. I feel like you could make this at home. But anyway, like I said, I did get this just for the Oompa Loompa, Willy Wonka, and just all the minifigures. And with a great price, I got it for at Target. Charlie's grandpa here, pretty cool. Kind of looks like a Harry Potter minifigure in my opinion. But anyway, let's move on to the set. One cool part about the set here is the moving chocolate waterfall. So right here you can see in the back there's a little spindle. You can spin this and it does move. So anyway, just kind of give a quick overview. It has some really cool parts here, a lot of different colors and everything. So here's the Willy Wonka set. Overall, like I said, I did not put this together, but the minifigures are pretty cool. If you can get this on sale, it's a really good set. It did take her a long time to put together, so if you're thinking about that, I do want to show you the back here too, real quick before we go. It does have a little spot in the back, a little hideaway back here too, where they're hiding the sugar cane and everything. But anyway, stay tuned to see more. But this is a quick little review here for the Willy Wonka Lego set.